Hi everyone, so I wanted to show you a quick wreath that you can do, and it's interchangeable for all the holidays or anything you want to do. You can do birthdays, you can do Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas, whatever. So this is what I did for Thanksgiving and Halloween. I did these little pumpkins, and what I want to show you is this is just an artificial boxwood wreath from Amazon, and I'll put the link in there. It was, I believe, $14.99 or $12.99. Anyway, I'll put the link in there. So I just bought a real basic 15-inch artificial boxwood wreath, and you can change this. This is good because you only have to have one, and you can change it for the holidays. I used plastic coated twist ties, and I'll show you how I take this apart real quick. And I bought these little pumpkins at Walmart. They were 79 cents each, I believe. I poked two little holes in here, and I just put the twist tie right through it, and that secures it to the wreath. So I have those for next time. So I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble this, and then I'll show you how I put them back on for Christmas. We can stop now. This is the wreath with nothing on it. Just a simple plastic boxwood wreath. Okay. So I've attached these little snowflake ornaments, as you can see. What I have done, if you want to come in closer, I've taken these little ornaments. I bought a pack at Walmart for like $2, and there was like 12 or something. So I've just putting this twist tie through the center evenly through the other side. And this is my twist tie that has a little loop for hanging on it, just so you know. That's why it looks like that. But I put it like this, and then I'm wrapping it around the wreath and twisting it. I'll show you how I'm doing that on the back. And I'm twisting it on this side, so they're very secure. Wind or something won't blow it. And this is what you end up with. You have this pretty wreath. Now I'm gonna also embellish it a little, but you can put anything you want on these wreaths. Like I said, you could do birthday wreaths for people, Valentine's, Easter, whatever you'd like to do. Super easy to change them out. But I also have this pretty sparkly ribbon, which I'm going to weave through it also. I'm taking some decorative ribbon I have, and I'm just winding it around the wreath here to give it some more sparkle and definition. Just go around here. And I have my ending point in back. So I'm gonna snip this and do a little tie. Little snip. There we go. No one sees what's happening on the back of this, which is great. And you do have the option of tying a big bow in the front side if you want to tie it up front. I chose just to hide mine and put it in the back. But so we have this pretty little wreath now for Christmas. And again, you can change this for any season. It's inexpensive. The little ornaments, you can put anything on these and just make them festive and fun. The back looks like this. Looks like this. Our initial cost for everything you can do every season for under $20, including the wreath. So have fun with it, make it your own. Send me some pictures if you do this. I'd be interested to see some ideas of what people do. It's awesome. Take care.